Now we will listen to the voluntary speech by Dr. Hussain Saqafi. Inshallah, if there is some questions, if the time allows, we will answer after that. Inshallah.
Question with me.
You will answer, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yeah, request of Doctor.
Yes.
Dr. Hussain Saqafi, he is the Vice Chancellor of Jamia, Markazu Saqafati Sunniya, and he is a multilinguist, and he is an international traveler.
It is enough.
And he had written many books, and inshallah you know what he is now. Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum again. Are you tired? No, I think most of you are very tired, because the organizers, they arranged very good and heavy lunch for you. So the post-noon session will be very heavy for you, as well as the lunch was very heavy. Anyhow, alhamdulillah, it was very excellent, amazing, wonderful that I am here, all of you are here. Until today morning, I was thinking, how will be the program conducted by MOI in English? It will be a victory, successful, or will be a little bit failure. But alhamdulillah, when we listened to our scholars, especially to Maulana Ihsan from Sri Lanka, alhamdulillah, we all were blessed. And thanks to Allah who had given this opportunity and this occasion for all of us to be here, to be blessed and to listen to Maulana Ihsan Iqbal Qadiri. Sri Lanka once was famous for Veluppille Prabhakaran in Tamil Nadu. Sri Lanka was famous for Tamil Nadu. In ancient history, Sri Lanka was famous for the foot of Adam, Mount of Adam. And also Sri Lanka was famous for its tea and coffee. But today, I can tell you, I make you all a witness. There is no only one Zakir Naik who will be able to speak and to address the public in English, negotiating with them in English their religious matters. MashaAllah, we have a lot of qualified hands and scholars who are ready, everywhere ready, anywhere ready, anytime ready to present the ideology of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. In English, in Urdu, in Tamil, in any language, even in French. I was here for 2 weeks to study French. So my friends, I am concluding my words. Now I say, MashaAllah, this program conducted by MOI, just like I indicated in the beginning of my speech, I was never imagined that this conference will be such a successful event. But alhamdulillah, when we listen to Maulana Ihsan Sahab, and when we listen a lots of Maulanas, MashaAllah, everyone are very able in practicing and exercising and discharging their duty in English. Once there was an allegation regarding to Sunni Maulanas, they are against English, and according to them, Maulana were spreading that English is the language of Jahannam. Now you know, all these Maulanas, this is only a small sample. We have a long row of very big list of Maulanas who will be able to speak in English or any other language. MashaAllah, I have given a chance to bring these Maulanas on a same dais. And inshallah, this is a revolution in the field of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. And inshallah, Maulana Ihsan, Dr. Abdul Hakim Sahab, have you invited Mr. Maulana? Inshallah, Jamia Markazu Saqafati Sunniya in its biennial conference, where more than 500,000 people will be gathering. Inshallah, if you please come for our conference, inshallah, this kind of idea will be announced in front of these millions of people. Dr. Abdul Hakim, the administrator of Jamia Markazu Saqafati Sunniya, officially will extend the invitation to you, sir. Please accept the invitation. And on behalf of me also extending the invitation to you. MOI, I am very thankful to MOI, and very thankful to all those who are working behind this for this successful event. And this is not the first and the last, but this is only the first one. In the near future, inshallah, we will have the continuation of this conference. May Allah bless you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.